everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Be Creative and Artistic. Since the weather is colder and it gets darker quicker in the winter, you may be unmotivated to study. Well, here are some super tips to get your homework and studies done with no trouble. Let's begin. Number 1. Go outside. I know, going outside in this chilly weather might be one of the last things on your mind. But trust me, you need the fresh air. Taking breaks to even just stepping outside for a few minutes will help a lot. Taking a short walk once a day if you have been studying for a long time will help your mental health as well. Number 2. Music. Listen to some of your favorite songs while studying. You can even make a study playlist to help you. You can also find instrumentals or just some background noise to listen to while working. Number 3. Wash your face. In the winter, since the weather is colder and it gets darker quicker, it's very easy to doze off. If you're feeling tired, get up to wash your face with cold water before resuming your studies. This will make you fresh. Number 4. Drink tea or coffee. Too much tea or coffee isn't good because of the caffeine, but drinking it moderately can help you boost your energy when you're committing long hours towards studying. Having hot drinks such as tea, soup or coffee can also warm you up during these winter months. Number 5. Pomodoro technique. If you're feeling unmotivated, use the Pomodoro technique to study. This technique involves studying for 25 minutes and taking 5 to 10 minutes break. Repeat the cycle 4 times. Take a long break after 4 sessions. Some winter hacks. Open up your blinds or curtains in the sunniest part of your home to give your living space some free warmth. Once the sun sets, shut your blinds and curtains to keep the room as warm as possible. 2. If you get really cold at night, place a hot water bottle at the end of your bed or near your foot. It stimulates blood flow and improving circulation around your body. 3. Wrap a scarf around your mouth and neck. This helps you to keep your mouth covered, since the heat from your breath will help your face to stay warm. 4. Your hands and feet are the first thing to get dry when the weather starts to drop. Keep them clean by washing them daily, applying moisturizer and other lotions to help your skin stay moisturized. And also don't forget to stay hydrated. That's it all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe and press that bell icon for my latest new updates. See ya!